Hi guys and welcome here. So today I'm gonna be doing a organize with me video as I'm gonna be tackling 4 areas of this house. Two are the closets. One is the master bedroom, which is like not a master bedroom even in the size. So I'll be tackling that. I have to completely organize and clean that. Apart from that, I'm gonna be tackling Nirvi's room closet, so just half section of it because I have done extreme cleanup of the whole house like 2 months or 3 months ago. So I'll link that down below for you guys just in case if you want to see that. I'm also gonna be tackling our some of the furniture and the balcony area. I'll be cleaning the balcony because we are having some things which we are not using inside home, so we'll be decorating it outside, not completely decorating it, but you know what I mean, like organize it. And also I have to go through the vanity area because in the vanity area there are so many stuff which need to get out of this house because they're expired. Most of them are my makeup stuff because I do not use makeup on the daily basis, but anyways, so I'll be going through that and I'll show you guys some of my beauty products like the skin and makeup products that I have been using since like 15-20 days, some of the makeup products, and there are some good products that I'm using from last 1.5 years as well. And I really hope that you guys enjoy and get motivation from this video. So now let's get started. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with the right side of the room, my room's closet, and over here I'm just taking everything out because there are so many dresses of summer which I'm not wearing right now. So I'm gonna just keep them away because there is nothing that I have to give it away or something. And also you can see Nirvi playing around here, and this is the socks I had made with crochet when she was not even born. So there are so many things which I had made, but these were one which she used to wear and sleep when she was little. But anyways, now they are completely like are not in a good condition at all. So this is what I did with my summer clothes and also some dresses like the Indian ethnic wear. So yeah, now I'm gonna just quickly clean up all the shelves that we have over here and rearrange the thing that we have in the document section. Now you can see over here the potatoes, but I keep potatoes in a dark space so that they are fresh for a long time. But because we don't have actually much space in the kitchen area, literally you will see a lot of things in the oven or in the dishwasher because we definitely don't have much space in the kitchen. And also like this is complete house is very small. So this is how it was looking when it was completely done. And here you can see Nirvi playing, and she has ripped off all the flowers from this pot, but she is really happy about it. This was the pant I had got from Real Canadian store, and it was so beautiful looking to me, so I got it, but I did not realize that it will not fit me. It was in the size 0 and in the sale, so I got it. But guys, it does not fit me, so I have to return it. But the color was really awesome, and even the pattern. So yeah, this is how the closet of like Nirvi's closet and my section is looking now, which is in Nirvi's room. So now I'm gonna just go ahead and remove all the clothes that I'm not wearing in the winters. Trust me, I am wearing like these clothes from like almost 3 to 4 years. I just get 3 to 4 pieces every single year and get rid of the stuff which I'm not wearing or not in a good condition. So yeah, I'm done with this because I have done a good as I said earlier in the video, like good organization and cleaning of the house. So I do not have much to do over here, but just wanted to make some more space. So this is how it was looking, and same thing I'm gonna do with Nirvi's section over here as well. And when I say about the section and the area, I literally keep all the activewear and the other all kind of wear in one section. Okay, so this was the Lululemon pant I had got, but it is definitely smaller in size. And this is the high neck I had got again from Canadian Superstore. So I loved the color. It was really soft, but it is turtleneck, and I wanted to try, but it was not looking good on me because I have round face. So anyways, moving towards vanity, over here you can see a lot of things. As I said earlier, again I have to get rid of so many things which are expired, majorly in the beauty section. I keep things very minimal because first we don't have a space, second I don't have energy to tackle all the things. And these were the face mask sheet I had got in sale, in the Christmas sale, so they were pretty good deal. So now I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm using these days. So this is the Dream Radiant Liquid foundation that I'm using from Maybelline, and it is really light and good coverage, I would say. Even I like apply with my fingers and it really works good. It is in the shade 40. So yeah, just in case if you want a reference, I am wheatish in color. So, and for the eyelashes I use great lashes. They are cheap, but it works because I don't apply mascara so much. And for covering powder I use Fit Me again, and it is in the shade 128. I really like the shade on my face. And this is the lip butter from Rocky Mountains. They are super natural organic ones, so just in case. And on my face I'm using oil these days, especially in the whole winter. This is from the brand Lee's. I had got it with the shaver. So yeah, I shave my body and I use this on my face and whole body, just in case if I'm shaving. Kajal I'm using from the brand Himalayan, and to do the facial at home, I'm using this kit which has 4 different brushes for manicure, pedicure and facial. And these are the face mask sheet that I'm using. So I do not go parlor for anything except haircut. So all I do is like take care of my skin at home, and I have done some videos in past, just in case if you want to check out. I'll put the link in the description box. And now I'm gonna move towards the cleaning our balcony. You will see a lot of stains. Those are color and food stains from summer season, which I will clean in the next summer, because it rains really a lot over here, so it is gonna be complete mess again. So we moved our big plant over here, which is a fake bamboo plant, because I get a question about this so much. And we moved this sofa over here because again we do not have much space, and this sofa was completely ribbed, so I wanted something good. So we got a new sofa, and this is out in the balcony until this get a new home, or it is gonna be just still there. I really hope that you guys got some inspiration and the motivation. If yes, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. In case you want to check out more cleaning videos with me, I'll link them down below, some of the good video ideas on my channel. And yeah, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon. If you're new, I'm Pragya. I make videos related to motherhood, lifestyle and parenting. So if you are interested in these kind of videos, be sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon. And I'm pretty active on Instagram, so do check me out on Instagram as well. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.